How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to launch a preferred browser and type in amazon.com. If you have the Amazon application, you can just tap open to it. Make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. You can use your Visa gift card once it is redeemed and apply it on purchases of your Amazon account. So starting off, to add your Visa gift card, firstly, scroll to the top and tap on Account and List. Head over and select on Gift Cards. Now you will see the option of Redeem a gift card. Tap on where it says Redeem a gift card in order to use and add your Visa gift card. Now in here, enter the claim code or the gift card number and tap on Apply to your balance. Once applied successfully, you will see a balance increment for Amazon as well, which you can apply to purchase an item off your Amazon account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you.